Okay, we're going to go over how to draw Roblox Doors, the character eyes, okay? So it's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started. First thing over here, I'm going to draw a curve right there. And now we're going to go underneath and then curve underneath. This is like one of the eyes, okay? We're going to do the exact same shape over here. Curve over here. Maybe about the same size. Kind of looks like a peanut shape, right? Over here now. Curve over here. And I want to do 4 primary larger eyes. And then we'll go into like smaller eyes, okay? Then one over here. Relatively large. Here. Over here. Okay, so maybe more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get about 6 or 5, just shapes like that, and that's gonna be kind of like the primary thing we're gonna start out with. Kind of like, you know, those are the main larger eyes. And then I'm gonna go over here and draw like maybe half the size of these or smaller. Like there, see right there. A lot of it is getting like this mesh of several different eyes, by the way. It's not like there's an exact number of eyes. You're just kind of doing this mesh, right? You want that impression. You want the, you know, the idea of many eyes, but you're not, you know what I mean? Like so. Curve underneath here. But I would always start with larger and then go to smaller. I would always do that. I think that would be more efficient. So here, here. I'm just gonna, as far as the small eyes, you're gonna have to like feel it out. Like, what is it that you want to do exactly? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's about 11. A couple more over here. And let's do the outer shape first, and then we're gonna kind of move into the, you know, pupils and iris. So curve like that, like a spike. Out over here, and keep it going, but make sure the spikes are different sizes. All right, same thing, kind of like those like surprise ads.
Hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings, something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answered them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head, and that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, you know, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it.
Ads with a pow signs from like, I don't know, comics or something. But don't think too hard about it. That's the thing. This is like if I redraw this, it would be a little bit different, right? So don't worry about it. It's just, again, just like everything else in a way, you're looking for the impression of something. Start with one pupil right there. And I'm just going to draw kind of like long, elongated shape, right, for that pupil. Obviously, the small ones are going to be smaller. And I would say the reason I'm doing it this way is because it's probably the easiest kind of shape to do that way. All right, like there. Okay. So now we're going to do a line around that outside shape right there. Like so. I'm going to do that. So we're kind of just systematizing this, right? We're going back and forth. By the way, don't forget to hit the like button. If you do like this, it really helps. Just to kind of, it just helps in general kind of get this stuff done. Like get this stuff out there. But, and also request something. If you really want to request something, I will totally, do it. Somebody requested this. So like I said, it can definitely happen. I'm gonna put this on a playlist too of Roblox playlist of the Doors character, Roblox Doors character. Okay. All right. Oh, whoops, we're missing a couple here. Here. Whew. All right. And now the next thing you can do if you want is you can fill in the dark area, which is, a big part of this. You can fill this. It's gonna probably, finish off one of your markers, I'll be honest, because it's so much dark. But it's kind of up to you of if you want to start it or not. But I would say definitely try to start it if you can. It's otherwise it's pretty simple. That's a very simple character. I hope you had an okay time doing this. Hopefully you learned how to do this. Start with the main eyes and then go to the secondary eyes. Then start with, you take everything by steps, okay? So you're awesome. Stick around. We're going to go through more. And I want you to stay with me and do another lesson with me, okay? So stick around. Let's do another lesson together right now.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.